Hello friends, welcome to the session. Today we will discuss about integration and reorganization of Indian states after independence. So as we know that after gaining independence from the British, it was a big task for our leaders to keep the country integrated, as there were 542 states which were ruled by princes, the princely states. So at that time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Deputy Prime Minister of India and the Home Minister, was given the task to negotiate with the princely states in order to make them sign instrument of accession. He was assisted by his secretary VP Menon, who was the secretary of Ministry of States, and after that they started negotiating one by one with various princes, and most of the princely states agreed to join to India, which were neighboring states of India, but there were few states who were not ready to join either India or Pakistan. Among these, the first one is Hyderabad, where the Nizam was not willing to join India, and he totally disagreed to have any sort of negotiation with the Indian side. On the contrary, if he said that if he is pressurized, he will join Pakistan, which would make things very difficult for India, as Hyderabad is located at the center of the country, and it would have created a huge problem for India in terms of security, and other factors also would have affected. So, at the end, the Indian government was forced to launch Operation Polo in order to make Hyderabad surrender and sign the instrument of accession. After the Operation Polo, the Nizam and the Razakars and their army surrendered in front of India and finally joined India. The second case was of Kashmir, which was the biggest bone of contention, as the prince there was the king there was a Hindu, the majority population was Muslim, and the king was not willing to join either India or Pakistan. The state of Kashmir has signed a standstill agreement with Pakistan, although after waiting for some time, Pakistan has decided to invade Kashmir and sent their troops there to take over the control of Kashmir. Upon knowing about this, the Maharaja Hari Singh requested the Indian government to intervene and protect the Kashmir Valley. But the Indian side asked Maharaja to sign the instrument of accession first, and then only India could intervene, because it would have created an international situation where India would have been considered as a aggressor. So on 25th October, Maharaja Hari Singh signed instrument of accession, and Kashmir officially became part of India. And on 26th October, the Indian forces entered Kashmir and started to chase out the intruders from Pakistan. After that, we know what happened. It's a long story. We'll discuss about it in detail in some other video. And after that, another princely state which was showing unwillingness to join India was Junagadh, where the king was Muslim and the majority population was Hindu. Mahabat Khan, the ruler of Junagadh, decided to join Pakistan, but as it was a Hindu majority state, the government of India requested to conduct a plebiscite in order to decide the fate of the state. Uh, the king resisted this idea, but when the people, the local population, revolted, he fled to Pakistan, leaving his state without a ruler. At that time, the Diwan Shahnawaz Khan Bhutto was given the charge of taking the administration into his hands. He requested India to conduct a plebiscite, and with 99% people voting in favor of India. The Junagadh princely state became part of India. Another one was Bhopal, but it was not long stretched story, as after initial revolt, Mir Usman Ali of Bhopal finally decided to join India. When he saw that there is no other option for him, uh, he decided to join India. So these were the four states where we can see that there was some problems in the accession. But other than that, most of these states agreed amicably and decided to join either India or Pakistan, whichever is more convenient to them geographically and politically. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.